artery, so arch of aorta branches na kay brachiocephalic artery. Ang imong brachiocephalic artery, trunk rather, kay mo go siya to right common carotid artery and then your right subclavian artery. Second branch kay mo hang left common carotid artery and then yung mga left common carotid artery mo branch siya to external carotid artery and internal carotid artery. And then next kay mo subclavian artery. This is your esophagus descending aorta and then going down is your splenic artery and then so celiac trunk na siya your left gastric artery and then I think common hepatic artery. And then if we go down ka gastroduodenal artery, and then kani di ba ko sure pero I think it's common hepatic artery. I know hepatic property hepatic artery proper. And then going down kani siya is pancreatico-duodenal artery, and then superior mesenteric artery. And then abdominal aorta na siya mo bifurcation to common iliac artery, common internal iliac artery and external iliac artery. Then another branch of your abdominal artery, abdominal aorta, paspas kung storya, gonadal gonadal artery, testicular or ovarian artery. And then this one posterior branch of your abdominal aorta kay median sacral artery or middle sacral artery. And then going down na siya, pa doon siya femoral artery, you have the superficial femoral artery and then deep femoral artery. Then veins kay brachiocephalic vein, subclavian vein, right subclavian vein, internal jugular vein. If mo parallel siya with your internal carotid, that's internal jugular vein, and then external jugular vein if sa gawas, and then napun na siya anterior jugular vein. And then splenic artery, inferior vena cava, superior mesenteric vein, and then continuous mo superior vena cava is your common iliac artery. You have the internal and then external iliac artery going sa imong femoral vein, then femoral nerve. That's it.